Today, we will lead you to explore Canonical booth at the Embedded World exhibition and dive into their newly launched service, Ubuntu Pro service. Let's explore the features of this service together. IoT everywhere. One other important yet easily overlooked aspect for customers in development, unlike past experience,
with the new implementation of network and information security, system security and IaaS directive in 2025, and with the introduction of IEC 62443 security standard by the US, the security requirements for IoT devices are increasing. For cost-conscious customers, besides the Ubuntu Pro services, there are alternative solutions such as Debian and Yocto. However, it's important to note that using this alternative solution means customers need to maintain Linux kernels themselves in the long term, which may incur additional costs and risk. For enterprise, the cost of verifying and testing roughly 1,000 patches annually is approximately $400,000.
what type of a solution does Ubuntu propose?
As security is the primary concern, testing over 1,000 security updates annually is crucial to ensuring system stability. Therefore, Canonical has introduced the ODM Partner Program, which includes DFI, collaborating with system manufacturers to ensure hardware models tested in laboratory meet customer requirements. Looking ahead, with the increasing security requirements for IoT devices from the EU and the US, demand for this service will also grow. Using Ubuntu certified DFI devices means these devices have undergone comprehensive testing and approval in Canonical labs, ensuring supported hardware models are reliable and stable. DFI's participation in the Canonical ODM program means DFI products will receive recognition and support from Canonical. Through close collaboration with Canonical, DFI customers will receive customers' hardware support and long-term security updates, enhancing product competitiveness. This collaboration also serves as a guarantee for DFI customers to enjoy the best product support and services.
Compared to Microsoft's traditional business model familiar to the industrial computer industry, what solution does Ubuntu offer?
So Canonical will officially launch Ubuntu Pro for IoT devices, allowing direct purchase of license for shipment without ODM program certification. This business model is very similar to Microsoft Windows and is the most familiar sales model for Taiwanese hardware manufacturers. In addition to security update, purchasing hardware with Ubuntu from DFI also provides multiple benefits. Ubuntu Pro for IoT brings FIPS, anti-kernel, device management capabilities, and so on. So purchasing hardware with Ubuntu from DFI also provides multiple benefits.
Canonical and DFI will continue to maintain a close partnership, jointly committed to driving technological innovation this year. AI and virtual technology demonstrated their strengths at the 8 charging stations during Embedded World. Currently, DFI has integrated Intel OpenMINO in the Ubuntu environment and supports the concept verification of edge microcloud. Furthermore, the collaboration between Canonical and DFI ensures customers receive professional support and resources from Ubuntu, further enhancing product competitiveness. In the future, we will continue to certify products based on Ubuntu OS and deepen cooperation with Canonical to provide customers with better products and service. Looking forward to further collaboration, bringing more innovation and possibilities.